Well, we have reports now that the Chinese are targeting certain U.S. engineering and maritime entities that are operating in what they're saying are contested waters of the South China Sea. Now, the U.S. military does have a presence there, and I've talked about this many times before, the importance of the South China Sea, what has been going on with Taiwan, everything that's been happening with the Philippines, running down into Malaysia, and all the islands here, the Spratly Islands, and these other shoals that the Chinese have been trying to claim as their own and have been trying to take certain areas and build them up into airstrips and things of that nature. Now, they have also tried to establish a massive base here in Djibouti where they could take over this whole area and then this pinch point here, this waterway. And they're doing all types of things in Africa that I've talked about. I've also talked about how they can run this road right down into Pakistan, right into Iran, and right into Turkey. And no one can stop them if this was to happen with these allies here. Because this road, the Silk Road number 2, that they were building to try to connect into Europe, they took it through Kazakhstan, and it stopped dead in its tracks. And who stopped it? Surprisingly, Russia, which no one's talking about. I've warned about here on this world stage what is happening with everything in every country trying to say Russia, 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 but knowing that the militaries have admitted that China is the bigger target. But I'm sure we're going to see an escalation. This is going to continue here as China continues to make their way down through the South China Sea, just trying to snatch up anything and every little shoal that they want to at this point. And they're saying it's theirs, and other countries like the Philippines and Malaysia and others are saying no, it's not the case. And of course, everything that's going on with Taiwan is critical too right now. But this is some of the latest reports. They're saying the new research is showing that the Chinese cyber network that is behind this is dubbed Leviathon. So this espionage group from China, Leviathan, is behind this as of right now, is what they're saying. But I will continue to update with more if we see anything else come of this group or anything connected to it. I'll leave a link below. This has been Dabu7.